Hearing sounds or seeing lights on your display? No worries, here are some tips to help you understand what they mean. If the time display is flashing, that's usually a good indication there's been a power outage. All you need to do is reset the time by pressing Set Clock. When the oven is in use, there are a few common lights that will illuminate. The oven indicator light glows each time the oven turns on while maintaining the set oven temperature. The preheat light glows when the oven is heating up to the specified temperature. Door locked will flash when the oven door is locking or unlocking, usually when the oven door lockout is active or when the self-clean cycle feature is active. The bake and broil burners will turn on and off while baking. You may also see a glow in the oven bottom from the gas flame. It's normal to hear a clicking sound when you turn on your gas burners. As the temperature in your oven changes during use, it may create noises as parts of the oven expand and contract. This is perfectly normal. The control panel will make clicking sounds while the oven is operating. Your range has a cooling fan to keep the electronics from overheating during use. You may hear this fan when the oven is operating. If your model has a convection feature, you may be able to hear the convection fan running when it's in use. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.